Hi guys, welcome back. So today in this lecture we will discuss how to display a notice when user login. Suppose I am a system administrator. So I want that those profile who are standard user or a system user, maybe something XYZ profile, or there are 100 number of users are assigned to that profile or 50 users assigned to that profile. Okay, so what I want that when a particular user login into Salesforce, then a notice has been a message has been displayed to the while landing into the org. A pop-up message has been shown that like a notice has been shown to the user. Then when he click finish or register, then it will be landing into the Salesforce org. Okay, so quickly create a screen flow for that. Okay, I am going to my setup and then in the search flow, click on this flow, click new flow. Start from click next, click create. Okay, so click screen, add element, click screen, then scroll down, add display text. Okay, mess notice. Then in the display text, message, and message will be like this. Okay, so scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Okay, ठीक है, please click here to register. It will be click here will be your hyperlink. So I am making this as a hyperlink, http youtube for the hyperlink. Click save, then it will be like make this as 18 and font size will be 10 and select this. Color will be your red. Click done. Okay, and select this, make this 18 and make this center, make this bold, or color will be like green. It is looking fine. No, not it. Change the color to, yeah, it's good. Okay, and I'm adding some images also. Okay, add image, and I'm going yeah, this image. Wait for something. Center. See, click to register. Enter once again so that it will be down. Okay, and ठीक है, ये बढ़िया लग रहा है देखने में. ओके, हेडर मैंने रिमूव कर दिया. फुटर में मेरे पास सिर्फ फिनिश होगा. ओके, सिर्फ फिनिश होगा. क्लिक डन. लेट्स एक्टिवेट दिस. ओके, display notice when login. Okay, क्लिक सेव. ओके, मैं एक्टिवेट भी कर दिया इसको. एंड देन मैं आता हूँ अपने लॉगिन फ्लो पर होम पेज पे आना, यहाँ पर सर्च करना लॉगिन फ्लो, ठीक है, ये आइडेंटिटी के अंदर है। क्लिक ऑन दिस। इसके बाद मैं न्यू पर क्लिक किया। टाइप फ्लो, नेम विल बी डिस्प्ले मैसेज ऑन लॉगिन एंड फ्लो नेम display notice when login. ये रहा. User license will be your Salesforce or something your. It's depend on your requirement. Like Salesforce, and Salesforce has various number of profiles. So I am assigning the only system administrator. Okay, click save. Or you can assign standard user where 5 to 10, 15 people are there for a standard user. Okay, so I'm activating the. Okay, when I done for this, let's go back, cut this, let's go back and log out. Okay, when I enter the username and password, when click on login, a message will be displayed. Yeah, registration for a Salesforce event. Dear Salesforce, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to express my interest in the upcoming Salesforce event Dreamforce. Click here to register. Okay, like this. I think PNG is not working, image is not showing due to some, I think, some XYZ reason. When you click on this, click here, see, you will be seeing the form videos, and in the description one it will be form. So like this. Okay, when you click finish, then you will be successfully logged into the Salesforce org. Okay, I hope you will like this video. Please hit like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the future update. And if you have any comments or doubts, please write down in the comment section. Okay, thank you guys.